Before we start today's video, I want you to go to ARC Garage. They have a lot of good videos about Alfa Romeos and other cars too, especially about Alfa Romeo 147, 156, 159 and the GT. Please go there. Now we start this video. Welcome to GT Racers. This is round 2 of the rust fight. Yesterday we started this video of me thinking that this sill had very little rust and it will be an easy and fast job, and of course it was not. It was a very long video yesterday and I had to stop the video because the sun was going down and I'm outdoors every day. So yeah, today we continue. The idea yesterday was of course that we would only fix a little bit rust there, a little bit rust in the back end, and that was that. But when I started to grinding, I saw more and more rust underneath the sill, of course in the damaged parts where jacks have been jacks have been misplaced and they pushed up on the sill and crushing it. It happened there, and that of course that gives you rust because you break up the original paint job and the rust protection. And of course we saw much more rust there, and then I decided we grind everything. We primed it with rust protection primer, and now we will start to add the black paint. Unfortunately, I don't have the original paint. I don't have the same paint as the original paint, but I have a black one. The idea is in the future I will send this in to a real painter who will do body works and everything, and they will do an amazing job because I want to have these repaired too, the underneath of the sills, but not today. And it's black and it will only be from this edge and down, so it will be rather invisible, I think. So let's start this. Or should I say something more? Yes. After we're painting this and put on some clear coat, we will go over to the next side and we will start grinding away because the other side is in bad condition. And we will see how long we have the time today, because I don't want to make a 30-minute long video, so we will then cut it and maybe we'll make the end of it tomorrow. But before we start with this, we can go over and I can show you how it looks. This is the right side, and of course the first thing you see, it's the damaged sill here where I got hit by a car, and this I used the dent removing tool. So it's pretty flat, but it's still a little bit, so we need to put in a filler. And of course, as on the left side, we have the rust here that goes underneath. And you can see how it looks. And also this is the worst place with the sill. It's completely crushed here. It's almost flat to the base plate, what we call it. And we have rust. We have rust all the way here. When you go towards the back end, you start seeing bubbles, and it's how it loosened. You see here we have no paint at all, and small pieces of rust, and small superficial rust here. The worst thing is of course this. I have a hole. And in here I think I see dirt or something. And this will be a much bigger job, and I have never fixed a hole before, so this will be very interesting. And I can feel it's full of mud inside here. And of course we're applying it, the first layer very thin, and then we can build it up in the later layers. We can add it on thicker and thicker, but the first one really thin. And today I will even use a little bit of protection. I didn't use it yesterday, it was stupid of me. So a little bit of protection. I am outside, so it's not so dangerous, but of course there's a lot of vapors and poisonous things. how well you can see, but now we are at layer number 5, and I would say that now we cannot see any more red. So it starts looking like this could work. So, but we do 2 more layers, and then we start with the clear coat. 7 layers of the black paint. I think that is enough. I'm pretty pleased with the result. So 7 layers will be good for today. Now we just let it rest, I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes or something like that, so it gets, you know, dust dry, so you can touch it without any problem and it feels dry. Usually it takes 24 hours before it's completely hardened, or whatever you say. So 10 to 20 minutes, then we do clear coat. I don't know how many layers we will feel, but probably 5-6 layers, I guess. And then we just let it dry again, and then we rip the tape and see the result. 7 layers of clear coat. I did not show you that because it's so boring to show you me just spraying 7 layers. Yeah, so I skipped that. But 7 layers now with the clear coat and 7 layers with the black paint. I think we'll let it rest now for a good, well, I think 30 minutes, something like that. And then we start taking off the tape, putting back the arch protection, put back the wheel and put her down. I cannot start on the other side before I need to race her on the other side. So 30 minutes and then we'll come back. I have no more patience. It's Friday, it's soon 4 o'clock. I want to go in and buy some cold beers and some potato chips. Let's take this and rip it and fix the arch wheel and put back the wheel and just finish this video because now I'm getting tired. Okay, let's start over here. The wheel is nothing. That is just protection, so you don't paint it too much. Now it comes the moment of truth. We need alcohol later to take away all the glue that's still on the paint. But if, of course, this tape I'm most interested in and see how it looks. Yeah, maybe. I have a little bit of the tape, the glue that is sticking in the line between the new and the old paint. So we really need to, I think, take a little bit of alcohol. That should not be too strong. Yeah, we'll take a little bit of alcohol and clean it off. This is before cleaning now. As you can see, we have glue like everywhere. But the result is okay, but I am not pleased here. I can see, let's see, I can see a little bit of the red here. No, the primer. This I need to fix. Why is it here? It must have been, the tape cannot have been, I don't know. But otherwise, it's okay. At least I don't have any rust now. This is not easy. Okay, I have some problems now. One of the problems was the tape left so much glue everywhere. I'm not joking. I took alcohol that could not take away the glue. So now I first alcohol and tried to scrub it off, and then I poured water and with a sponge and going with my nails, and I think I got all the glue off, but it was crazy. It was so stuck, and it was stuck in here too. So it looked like shit. But the worst thing is I have missed a part over here. I have to redo it. I'm so stupid. Look at this. I did not finish grinding up there, and then I start taping. Like, I don't know what, like I'm stupid. Look at this shit. So I have to start grinding a little bit here and redo it and just painting this corner. So, and I will not show you that. This is I will do now. So just because I'm an idiot, and yesterday I was too tired in the end there, so I made the mistake with, I got the glue off now, but the mistake in the front arch in the, up here, I have to redo it now. So we say this is the end of this video, and after I've done that, then tomorrow we will go over and start with the bad side, because you never know what happens. Well, thank you for watching this video, and please watch my other videos, and go over to ARC Garage. Yeah. So goodbye, see you tomorrow.